what's up? This is me, Anushka. Hi, Mayank, what's up? I'm gonna take the names quickly. Anushka Aspire, Lokesh. Hi, what's up? Smile and shine, Anushka. I really like your username though. You know, it's like whenever I read, I start smiling. I'm like, smile and shine, Anushka. Hi, Purvi, what's up? What's up? How are you? Hi. Hey. Hey, Kushi, how are you? What's up? How's everyone doing? I hope you guys are good. Hi, Sakina. Hi, Sharanya. Hi. What's up, guys? Hey, Queen. Thank you. Anushka saying my babe. You look cute. Thank you, Sakina. Hey, Kushi. Hi. Quarantine sucks. I want to say that, whoa, we started with 11,000 people. That's quite unusual, but it's amazing, incredible. Hi, Devi, what's up? I'm going to take some new names. Ilmas, how are you today? I'm great. The quarantine is taking me whole. Are you in two ponytails? No, I'm not. It's just, my hair is open. It's just I'm wearing my cap like that. It just looks like two ponytails, right? Oh God. This time slain with pink. Thank you. Hi, Kushi.Savalia. I like your hair. Thank you. Hi, Molly. Oh, thank you, Sakina. Thank you. 12. Whoa, we have reached 13.6k. That's quite amazing, isn't it? Let me take a screenshot. That's nice. Okay. Your each outfit is bae. Thank you. Show your nails. It's just okay. There's no paint on them since 2 months. For some reason, every day, like har din, I'm like, okay, मैं आज करूँगी. आज I'll put some nail polish, and it just does not happen only. But I'm really happy with my natural nails. So I'm taking a break from painting them. Whoa, 14.3 buddies. So firstly, I wanna wish everyone Ramadan Mubarak, everyone who is who's celebrating Ramadan, you and your family members, everyone, I wish a lot of happiness and just stay blessed. Your nails are love. Thank you so much. Thank you. We have reached 14.2k viewers. I'm just so happy. Anushka, yes. Kushi, yes. Hi Jasleen, what's up, Jas? Today is my dad's birthday. Happy birthday, Sharanya's dad. May you be happy and just stay happy. Could you say these names? Okay, I'm gonna take some names quite quickly. Hi Afika, hi Rishita, Fatima, Nikita, Almira, Vedahi, Neel, Prerna, Avneet, Himanshu, Khushi, Sidra, Rohit, Anshika, Poojan, Lakshana, Akshita, Ananya. I'm sorry, Ananya. Damn. Oh God. Anushka, what a coincidence. You came live on my birthday and on my dad's birthday too. That's so crazy. Are you ready for some riddles? Yes! Bring it on. You look so pretty in pink. Thank you so much. Do you want to see the full outfit? Because why not? Yes! I don't know why I just started dancing, but that's a vibe every time. So, new Anushkins. Wow, those were some new Anushkins. I just messed up my lipstick one second. New Anushkins, man. Thank you. Lots of love to all my Anushkins. I've been seeing some really crazy edits. I love them. Anushka, what shines the brightest? The star? Maybe, I don't know. Loose comfy sweatshirts are bae. It's just a vibe that I'm never gonna let go. What shines the brightest? Kohinoor? No, it doesn't shine, does it? I don't know. Shit. The star or maybe something like that. There's so many new Anushkins, and the worst part is I can't see some of my new Anushkin's comments for some reason. I don't know. The answer is Anushka saying, "Oh, Khushi, I'm touched by your riddle. Thank you. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna take this name. Hinda, but I have no idea what's it. I'm so sorry. So something just happened, you know. My Wi-Fi switched to 4G and then it switched to Wi-Fi again. Like Wi-Fi is playing with me. You're not bored at home? No, I'm not bored. I've been doing a lot of stuff and I've been going live with some people. My account also, and then I've been binge watching movies and series so much, and then now I have to start studying also because I have my exams apparently in July. The last exam, not exams, I have one exam which was left in my 12th standard, so I have to start studying today. Oh, something happened. Can you say happy birthday Nikita? She's shining same. Happy birthday Nikita. Okay. All the best for exams. Thank you Riyaz.idol. I have cities but no houses. I have mountains but no trees. I have water but no fish. What am I? I have no idea. That makes sense, but it doesn't make sense. I mean, I didn't understand. Oh god. Anushka, can you say hello to me? Hi Anushka Singh, not big fans. Your mood. Yeah, this should be the mood every day. So then only I'm like super happy and stuff and everything works out for me. Answer is maps. Oh, that makes sense. That's super smart. What time do you get up during lockdown? I get up. See, I'm gonna answer frankly. So I sleep by 3 or 3:30 and I wake up by 2. That's my schedule every day. And actually I'm happy about it because it's just the same. It's just I'm having my meals with gaps and I'm sleeping also 11 hours. I'm doing all my work also. So everything's cool. So chill out. Can you see my comment? Yes, Anushka into admirer. I can see your comments. Dakshita. Okay, can I add you? I've add some. I can only see your tail, buddy. She just left, yeah. She ditched me and left. Not fair. Say hi, Bobo. Hi, Bobo. See, I'm trying to add, but it's not adding. Can somebody tell me why? I can't add. Oh God, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna use the feature and probably go live. Let's see who to add. These boys. See, half people it's coming unable to join for some reason. I don't know why. Please, somebody help me out. Okay, I'm gonna add Ria. Yeah. Can you say hi, Juhi? Hi, Avneet. Hi, Ananya. Hi, Juhi. Hi, Avneet. Hi, Ananya. Say, hi. Hi. I'm God, I could add somebody. How are you? Fine. I'm good. What is your name? Ria. Where are you from, Ria? कहाँ से हो आप? Hi Ria, can you hear me? Yes. कहाँ से हो आप रिया? क्या मेरे को सुनाई नहीं दिया? कहाँ से हो आप रिया? There's something. रिया, आप मेरे को सुन पा रहे हो? Oh God, it was not working out. I couldn't hear me for some reason. Oh God, okay, I'm just randomly adding somebody else. Okay. Hi, biggest fan. Thank you, Jasmine. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh God, why is this not adding only anybody? Man, Instagram has to do some more stuff, man. They're not working nicely. Some features are not working, guys. Hi! Can you hear me? I can't hear you. Dang, I can't hear. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
Live with you.
Oh, how sweet. Hi, namaste. Kaise aap?
I'm good. Could I please take a screenshot?
Why not? Yeah, why not?
Thank you. Oh my god, this is so nice.
Oh, how sweet. What is your name?
My name is Mantej.
Sorry, your voice is cracking.
Mantej, Mantej.
Mantej. And who is that little cute girl beside you?
She's my sister, Rabnoor. Hi.
Hi, how are you? You're so cute.
Hi.
You both have the same smiles. So cute.
We're just thinking that you take live. Then she said that no, she'll not take you live. But then
Aww. How sweet. There's sometimes I can't see some people's comments, and that's the reason I can't add. But I'm so glad I could add you.
oh, thank you.
And nice talking to you girls. Oh,
how's
it's
the
cracking
quarantine?
for some reason. It's cracking for some reason. I can't see you clearly.
How's the quarantine going?
Quarantine's going good. There's a lot of stuff going on in quarantine, so yeah, it's going good.
Okay. So Anushka, I love your TikToks and how you dance. This is like really nice.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm really glad. Take care of yourselves, take care of your family, and stay happy.
Yeah. Stay happy, stay safe.
Bye.
Bye.
Aww. How cute, yeah. How cute everyone is. My God. They're so happy, you know, their expression only. I see their expression and I'm like, Anushka's earrings have lock and key. Yeah, most of the time I'm wearing this only, if you have noticed. I don't change because it's my favorite. I have so many earrings, but this is my favorite, so I can't help it. No. So, oh God. Okay, yeah, Purvi, I'll try. Aesthetic Anushka, you want me to add? Okay, I can't see her comment. I don't know why, but I'll try. What comes twice a week, never in a month, and once a year? Weekend? No. Yeah, weekend is twice, but it comes in a month also, no? I don't know. What is it? Wait. Who did you tell me to add? Aesthetic Anushka. No, wait. I'll try. These ones. Bro, it's not coming. Aesthetic Anushka's name is not coming for some reason. Okay. Okay. Makwana Monil. Hi, Makwana Monil. What's up? Cheers. The letter E. Whoa. Man. I have checked some DMs last week. I might have missed some of them out. I'm sorry. I'll check again. Maybe there's a lot of DMs I had to check, so that's why. And I'm mostly active on groups, so that's why. It's Starbucks sipper. I'm missing Starbucks, but I have to tell you guys, please don't order outside food still, even if it's just don't. I'm just saying don't eat outside food, that's all. One of my friends, she told me that her friend ordered outside food, so I'm saying not to do that. What's that one alphabet which have water in it? I don't know why it's not clicking only. Okay, I'm gonna check some questions. Okay, I'm gonna check some questions. Okay, this is Smita saying, I'm your big fan from Nepal. Can you add me or say my name once? Hi, Smita17. Smita underscore 17. I couldn't see a comment or else I would have added you. So if you guys comment, I can add you guys. You know, like, because the feature in which, you know, you can go inside and check names, it doesn't work out for me. So if you comment, then I can add you guys. So hi, Smita, anyways. Sea has water in it. Oh, that's incredible, yeah. That is so smart. Okay, I'm gonna see some more questions. Okay, I'm gonna check questions later. First, you guys, I'll tell you guys that if you wanna, like, if you want me to take your questions like personally, please